Hi, I'm Jeyda and this is Sarah, and today we're here at our Macaulay project. The original brief has actually completely evolved over time. The original design was a black and white kitchen with aspects of timber. We really did a huge design process and played around with a lot of different colours. We have actually included some aspects of our original design in the finalised product.
I guess another part of the design that I really wanted from start to finish was the traditional aspect with the shaker style doors, and really wanted to complement that with a really warm marble to make the kitchen feel really inviting and to complement the traditional style of the house.
Some of the main layout changes that we have designed is we have included 2 brand new skylights, put in some brand new doors with a nice Anita window and a beautiful splashback window as well. Another main feature that we have done is we've actually added in a nice little breakfast bar, which is perfect for Sarah and her mum to have some breakfast in the morning, which is awesome.
Awesome wine at night.
Yeah. What are some of the main features that you love about this space?
I think the farmhouse sink for sure, that was always a dream of mine. The porcelain splashback
that's
has
beautiful.
been the highlight, I think.
Yeah.
We've incorporated the wood with the shelf in the little nook.
I think also another feature as well is the beautiful herringbone throughout the lower ground of the home. Now that you've lived in the space, what is the biggest thing that has really impacted and changed?
I think it's a really open space where I can enjoy cooking and have guests gather around in the kitchen. Before, the kitchen only fit one person at a time, if that.
The kitchen has really transformed from day one, and I'm so glad that I could create Sarah's dream kitchen.
Thank you. You're amazing.